Good day, everyone. I am Master Ryan. Merivit Education Center would like to present to you Mathematics for Active Learning for Pathom 6. We will learn about lowest common multiple. Let's get started with our lesson.
In this lesson, you will be able to find the lowest common multiple using listing method, prime factorization, and repeated short division. Before we proceed, let's have a review about multiples. In the first box, how many dots are there? You're right, there are 4 dots. In the second box, how many dots are there? You're fast, there are 8 dots. In the third box, how many dots are there? Yes, there are 12 dots. How about the last box? How many dots are there? Good job! There are 16 dots. The dots in each box represents the multiples of 4. The multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, and 16. Let's look at the multiplication table of 4. When we multiply any whole number by 4, the product is a multiple of 4. What are the first 10 multiples of 4? You're fast! The first 10 multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and 40. Are you ready? Let's get started. We will find the LCM of 6, 8, and 12 using listing method. Do you remember how to do listing method? Wow, you have a very good memory. Listing method is writing the multiples of 6, 8, and 12. What are the multiples of 6? Yes, it's 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, and 72. Next, let's write the multiples of 8. It's 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88, and 96. Let's move on to the multiples of 12. What are the multiples of 12? That's right, it's 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, and 96. Among the factors, what is the lowest common factor? Brilliant! 24 is the lowest common factor of 6, 8, and 12. Let's proceed to another method of finding the LCM. Find the LCM of 6, 8, and 12 using prime factorization. Do you still remember how to do prime factorization? You're smart! Let's keep going. What are the prime factors of 6? That's right. The prime factors of 6 are 2 times 3. Next, what are the prime factors of 8? Correct. 2 times 2 times 2 are the factors of 8. What are the prime factors of 12? Yes. The prime factors of 12 are 2 times 2 times 3. The next step is grouping the common factors. Factor 2 in 18 and factor 2 in 30 will be grouped together. Factor 3 in 18 and factor 3 in 30 will be grouped together as well. To find the LCM, we will multiply the grouped common factors and the individual factors. So, in this case, the lowest common multiple will be 2 times 3 times 3 times 5 equals 90. Another method of finding LCM is using repeated short division. So, do you still remember how to do repeated short division? Excellent! Let us find the LCM of 6, 8, and 12 using repeated short division. What prime number can you divide 6, 8, and 12? That's right! 2 can divide 6, 8, and 12. So, 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Next, let's divide 3, 4, and 6. What prime number can you divide 3, 4, and 6? Take note that in finding LCM, we need to keep on dividing until the quotient of all numbers is 1. So, we can use 2 to divide 4 and 6. Let's continue. 3 divided by 2 equals. Since 3 divided by 2 equals 1 with a remainder of 1, we will have to leave 3 as is. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Next, we have to divide 3, 2, and 3. Which number do you want to divide first? Alright, we will divide 2 first. 3 divided by 2 has a remainder, so we will leave 3 as is. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. Now, we have 3, 1, and 3 to divide. So, we will divide 3 to 3, 1, and 3. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. That's easy. Then, copy 1. So, we already factored out 6, 8, and 12. So, the lowest common multiple is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 equals 24. Are you ready for another example? Here we go. Find the LCM of 12, 20, and 56 using prime factorization. What are the prime factors of 12? That's right! The prime factors of 12 are 2 times 2 times 3. What are the prime factors of 20? That's fast! The prime factors of 20 are 2 times 2 times 5. What are the prime factors of 56? Brilliant! The prime factors of 56 are 2 times 2 times 2 times 7. Now that we already have the prime factors, what should we do next? Excellent! We are going to group together the common factors. Is 2 a common factor of 12, 20, and 56? Yes, 2 is a common factor, so we will encircle them together. Are there any more common factors? Correct! 2 is a common factor. Let's encircle them together also. So we are left with factors 2, 3, 5, and 7. What are we supposed to do next? You are very smart. We will multiply the factors to get the LCM. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 times 7 equals 840. Which method is easiest for you?
Are you ready for a little challenge? I bet you are! Are you ready? Find the LCM of 12 and 30 using prime factorization.
Let's discuss the answer. What are the prime factors of 12? That's right. The prime factors of 12 are 2 times 2 times 3. Next, what are the prime factors of 20? Good! The prime factors of 20 are 2 times 2 times 5. Then, let's group together the common factors of 12 and 20. Factor 2 in 12 and 20 are common, so we will group them together. Let's multiply the common factors with 3 and 5. So, the lowest common multiple is 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 equals 60. Did you get the correct answer?
Fantastic! Find the lowest common multiple of 20, 24, and 70 using repeated short division.
Let's discuss the answer. What prime number can you divide 20, 24, and 70? That's right! 2 can divide 20, 24, and 70. Let's start dividing. 20 divided 2 equals 10. 24 divided by 2 equals 12. 70 divided by 2 equals 35. Let's continue dividing 10, 12, and 35. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. 35 divided by 2 equals... Is there a remainder? Yes, you're right. 35 divided by 2 has a remainder, so we will write 35 as is. Then, let's divide 5, 6, and 35. Which number do you want to factor out first? Okay, we will factor out 5 and 35 first. What prime number can you divide 5 and 35? Correct! 5 and 35 is divisible by 5. 5 divided by 5 equals 1. 35 divided by 5 equals 7. So, the numbers left are 1, 6, and 7. Is there a common factor for 6 and 7? Indeed, there is no common factor for 6 and 7. So we will now multiply the factors to get the lowest common multiple. The lowest common multiple is 2 times 2 times 5 times 6 times 7 equals 840. Did you get the correct answer? You've done a great job today! Please take note that prime factorization, repeated short division, and listing method can be used to find the lowest common multiple, LCM, of numbers.
Hope you have fun learning today. See you in the next episodes.
P.6.